Aqua 7 pre-installed 6 120mm PWM ARGB fan, ATX Mid Tower PC case, computer case with panoramic view tempered glass front and side panel, Type-C port gaming PC case, brand Okinos, motherboard compatibility ATX, case type mid-tower, recommended uses for product gaming, color black, material tempered glass, power supply mounting type rear mount, cooling method air, model name Aqua 7, light color ARGB, item dimension and motherboard support, 436mm asterisk 210mm asterisk, 486mm D asterisk W asterisk H, compatible with ATX, ATX, ITX motherboards. Panoramic design with 270. Wide-angle view. The 270. Panoramic mid-tower case features fully glass-covered front and side panels, providing a clear view of internal hardware. Diamond-cut angles offer a transparent and aesthetically pleasing display, creating a unique visual effect. Synchronized dual-channel airflow, designed with 3x H12 reverse PWM ARGB fans at the PSU chamber and 2x H12 reverse PWM ARGB fans at the side. Carefully designed vertical and horizontal airflow channels at the top of the PSU chamber. Experience the intricately crafted vertical airflow path with 3x H12 or PWM ARGB reverse fans, ensuring efficient heat dissipation. Meanwhile, the lateral side showcases the horizontal airflow channel, achieved by 2x H12 or PWM ARGB reverse fans and 1x H1 to PWM ARGB fan at the rear. Exquisite steel mesh to 1.2mm. Finer grid compared to 3.0mm. The uniquely crafted 1.2mm mesh design optimizes heat dissipation and prevents heat buildup, ensuring streamlined airflow. This fine mesh surpasses both aesthetically and functionally over the traditional 3.0mm counterparts, providing excellent dust resistance, broad applicability and durability. Multifunctional zone for readily accessible user-computer interaction. Introducing feature-rich multifunction zone. Effortlessly manage your device's power status with the power switch. Customize your case lighting with the ARGB fan control buttons, and enjoy seamless connectivity with USB 3.0 ports, audio jacks, and a lightning-fast Type-C 3.2 Gen to 10 gigabits per second interface. Experience fast data transfer, high-quality audio, and easy device connections all at your fingertips. Hurricane 120mm reversed PWM ARGB fan with 9 extended arc blades, carefully crafted to increase airflow by 20%. This advanced fan design ensures efficient heat dissipation, promoting a longer service life for internal components in mainstream cases. The innovative pillar frame design features screw holes that penetrate both sides of the fan, reducing impact sound and maintaining stable performance at a low noise level of 20.2 dBA. Additionally, reinforced ribs on the outer frame enhance overall stability, enabling effective and steady airflow output of 53.38 CFM. Advanced quick-release panels facilitated easy removal of the front and side glass without the need for screws. Enhanced convenience during disassembly with a secure rivet-mounted mechanism. Minimizes the risk of accidental glass breakage for added durability and safety. 7-slot PCIe configuration enhance user experience with a superior, repeatable installation solution. The Aqua 7 PCIe brackets feature 7 independent PCIe brackets, each secured with 7 screws, ensuring firm stability and eliminating the common issue of unevenness. With a full break design and independent screws on both sides into the PCIe slot, ATX Aqua 7 ensures a secure fit, allowing for easy installation and removal. Easily removable drive tray and PSU lever, shock absorbing. For the sake of easy installation and maintenance, Aqua 7 features user-friendly hard drive base, ensuring convenient removal and insertion of hard drives. Additionally, The power supply area is equipped with Evershock pads, effectively reducing vibrations during operation, protecting SU and enhancing overall stability. Connect PWM header correctly to enable the PWM function. The controller's PWM connector must be plugged into the PWM header on the motherboard. If wrongfully connected to the PUMP header, the fan will run at full speed. Do not connect it to the PUMP header.